Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sandeep's Tech Feed, and today our topic is how to download Instagram Reels or videos on your smartphone using an Instagram downloader. So before going ahead with the video, I will request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Sandeep's Tech Feed, follow our blog enchantristo.com and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our next video, which will be about how to download Instagram Reels or videos on your PC. So friends, let's start. So friends, here I'll show you how to download your favorite Instagram Reels or videos on your smartphone using an Instagram downloader. So I'll just quickly access my Instagram account. This is the home page. So on the home page itself, Instagram has provided the option for Reels, and click on them here.
पुष्पा
So are all the Reels, friends, which you can check from that option. Else you can just search for your favorite celebrity. In my case it's David Warner, and he is one of my favorite cricket stars and I am following him on Instagram. He has also uploaded a lot of reels. He's quite popular on social media. From here as well you can choose any one of your favorite reels, and you can just copy the link from there and go to the Instagram downloader to download the reel. So here I will choose this one.
पुष्पा नाम सुन के
So here you can see a lot of options like report, not interested, copying the link, share to, save, and remixing the reel. So our action area will be copying the link.
फ्लावर समझे क्या फायर है
Now the Instagram downloader that I was talking about is Storysaver. Storysaver Instagram downloader, or Storysaver app you can say. So here simply in the home page, just paste the link that you want to download, and the video is downloaded. You can go to the history. Oh, it's just an ad which I think you can close, and here is the video.
पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या फायर है झुकूंगा नहीं
Great dialogue, isn't it? Great work, David. And here's the video. So you can share this video externally. Here are all the options. You can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, your own Instagram account, in Messenger, anywhere you want to. So that's it, friends. So friends, thanks a ton for watching the video, and hope you enjoyed it a lot. And once again, I will request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Sandeep's Tech Feed, follow our blog enchantristo.com, and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our next video, which will be about how to download Instagram Reels or videos on your PC or laptop.